What? Get it. The gun? This? 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 Other car. Jetta. We have to. We can't take the hatchback. The hatchback's not ready yet. I gotta send the fuel injectors today. Come on. Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning, and for me, it looks like the screen is tilted a little bit, but I don't really care. I am waking up for the first time and feel like I should try to get out of the house instead of feeling like, you know what, I ain't going nowhere. And the light is so flipping good. It looks like I'm looking at the screen up top, but now, here we are, on our way. I have to actually go take Vicente home. You're probably wondering why Vicente has a jacket on, but the better question is that why don't you? It's cold. Why don't you have a jacket, Vicente? I don't know. I could fall asleep right now. But Vicente is gonna go with his mom. It's officially her day. I will have Vicente back tomorrow. Huh? And tomorrow's New Year's Eve. For you guys, this probably won't play for a while, maybe after New Year's. But, oh my goodness, I don't know what is wrong with me. I am exhausted today. I think maybe it was just at work, just putting all my effort in. I know that I tried to give you guys a closing video, but it just didn't work out. Vicente, let me get out of here. Today's goal of the day, figure this out. Fuel injectors, we need to send them out today or tomorrow. We need to send them out. That's it, period. Send them out and get a tracking for those guys. That's what they need. So here's everything up until this point right now, where I just got to the house. There it is. I have went to the postal annex and got the fuel injectors shipped off. They won't officially be able to be tracked until Tuesday because of the flipping weekend. And I didn't even think about that. I just thought about getting the easy way out. Done. Fuel injectors are shipped. I already sent the message to the other guy, sent him what I needed. Hopefully he'll send it back as soon as he gets it, probably next week sometime. Oh, 2 more weeks probably. But that gives me a lot more time to just relax on the Jetta. That's right. While I was at Ralph's, I went to Ralph's really quick. I have this big old cramp on the side of me. I need some flipping water. Oh, I need some water. Let me turn on the AC real quick while I fill you guys in on what it is that I've been doing. But I went to Ralph's, right? In the parking lot of Ralph's, I've been talking about my amp kicking out and kicking back in. Well, I figured out that the power wires on my amp are loose. I don't know why that might be, but I am going to unscrew the power wires on both of my amps, kind of fix the wire a little bit, like twist it up. You know, if you got an amp, you know, twist it up a little bit, make it nice and clean, put it back in and screw it back down so that it could have a fresh little contact. I would say about half of the wire is exposed or out, which is not that good. That means that you're getting half of the contact that you could. So after I played with it a little bit just with my hand, the amp came back on. It sounded great again. So I feel like the power connection is where I'm losing all of my connectivity. So I'm gonna do that. I already have the car seats actually disconnected right now. See, it's disconnected. I mean, I don't have enough force to move it, but I'm gonna unscrew it, fix the wires, screw them back in, and then hopefully that'll take care of even my system sounded louder. I was all proud again. I rolled my windows down even though I didn't want to have them down. But I have this fucking cramp and I have to go to work in a little bit. So, mission accomplished. Fuel injectors have been shipped. Let's go inside and relax until work.